These guys missed a beautiful opportunity.
Yeah. Well, I bet. I mean,
They would be having fun rafting.
Really nice. I'm from like views
Yeah.
down by the river and too. But I think I like seeing things from afar, like on top.
On top. Got it.
Okay, so is that in front of us?
Casa Grande is on left. Oh, the 20 years blossom plant, whatever it is, I don't know.
This is just so awesome.
We were there. Okay, sorry, there. We are coming back here. We're going down a lot. Okay, that one seems like an inverted boot.
I wish I had binoculars.
Yeah, our boot camp.
We had some, I think.
But it's not our camp, it's Boots camp. Okay, on the left there is Casa Grande, right? Yeah, we would just go over there. Once we reach there, we would show it to people. Man, this is awesome. Are you guys all right?
I'm okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it was me who taking breaks.
We'd be tired as hell, but we'd be around.
Oh, we need to be working out every day for that.
Yeah, they look pretty fit. I'm not.
Yeah, me the least of you three. You two. Okay, this is some strange rock. And these are pretty flowers.
Man, look at those flowers too. I mean, it's a lot brighter.
These flowers, right?
The sun. Because the sun's shining on it.